Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about differences between has and have. So let's start. Has and have are both verbs. They are used to indicate possession or relationship. Has or have. Has is used with the pronoun she, he or it and also used with singular subject. And have is used with the pronouns I, we, you, and they, and also used with plural subject. Clear? Now, let's start with first sentence. Trees blank branches. So, we use have. We use have. Trees have branches. Clear? So, trees is a plural subject, okay? Because we have used as. So, this is plural subject, trees. So, we will use here have. Trees have branches. Clear? Now, next is we blank a house. We is a plural subject. Okay. So we will here use have. We have a house. Next is you blank a textbook. You is a plural subject. Okay. So we will use here have. You have a textbook. My friends blank arrived. Friends, we have used s. So this is plural subject. Okay. So we will use here have. With plural subject, we use have always. Okay. Next is my dad blank gone fishing. My dad is a singular subject. Okay. My dad is a singular subject, singular person. So we will use here has. Okay. With singular subject, we always use has. My dad has gone fishing. My cousin blank a laptop. My cousin is also a singular subject. Okay. So we will use here has. My cousin has a laptop. It blank run outside. It blank run outside. It is a singular subject. Okay. So with singular subject, we always use has. Okay. So it has run outside. The kids blank eaten. Kids is a plural subject because we have used s here. Okay. With kid. So the kids blank eaten. So we will use here have because kids is a plural subject. Everyone is the subject, and remember everyone is a singular pronoun. Okay. This is a singular pronoun even though it refers to a group of people. Everyone is a group of people without specifying who they are. Okay. But remember, everyone is a singular pronoun. Singular pronoun takes has. Okay. Always singular pronoun take has. Clear? So we will use here has. Everyone has gone home. Clear? everyone is the subject, and everyone is a singular pronoun. So we will use here has. Next is all of us blank cats. All of us. All of us is phrase. Okay, all of us is a phrase. Phrase that refers to a group of people. Okay, all of us. So that refers group of people. That is us. All of us is treated a plural subject. Okay, so this is a plural subject. Phrases like of us, some of us, many of us is this phrases. The verb agreement is determined by us. So this phrase entirely is treated as plural subject. Okay, and plural subject goes with always have. So all of us have cats. Clear? All of us have cats. I hope you understand. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.